Hi everyone. So this is the second principle of solid principles, the open close principle. In last video we discussed about the single responsibility principle. Today we will be talking about open closed principle. This is a very straightforward simple principle which says that a class should be closed for modification, but a class or a module or a function should be open for the extension. Okay, now in other words, you should be able to add new functionality to a class without altering its existing code. Okay, now let's try to understand what it is actually trying to say. Okay, so let's say you have an order calculator class. Let's say you run an e-commerce and your developer has written an order calculator class which calculates the order amount of all the orders. Now, let's say you want to introduce a special discount. Okay, for a special customer you want to introduce a special discount. You have multiple options. Now first, you can introduce if else statements within this order calculator class and say if customer type is, let's say, normal customer, then do the total calculation. If it is a special customer, let's say give 20% discount. Okay, so in this way you are modifying the order calculator class, introducing an if else statement in it, and then doing the calculation. It will work perfectly fine. Okay, but it is not a very good approach. It is a violation of open close principle. Why it is not a good approach? Because see, currently we just have one discount type. We could have festive discount type. We could have different platinum partners. We could have n numbers of different discounts available. And if we keep on changing the order calculator class, there will come a time when this order calculator class will become unmanageable. We will not be able to maintain this class. Okay, and this is not a very good approach. This will be a mess in future. What open close principle says that whatever you have written in your base class, do not modify that. If you want some additional functionality in it, try to extend the behavior of your base class and write on top of it. Okay, so what do I mean by saying that? I mean to say, create a new class, special offer order calculator, which will extend your base class order calculator. By extending the base class, you will be able to use whatever is written in the order calculator. Plus, additionally, you will be able to write the functionality on top of it. So, the discount calculation for special offer you can carry on here. Discount calculation for normal order you can carry out in the order calculator. Why this is a good approach is because in future, let's say you've got a different types of discount, you can then again create a new class which will again extend the order calculator, and that class will also be able to do the different types of special offer. Okay, in a way you are also providing a structure to your class that order calculator will be the base class, and then any special type of calculation we want to create a new different class. Now couple of counter questions will be here, like why to create a special order calculator, like why not to create a separate class altogether? Like, I understand it is not a good practice to modify the base class. Let's say I'm not modifying that class at all. I am creating a new class altogether, where I don't want to extend the order calculator. Like, what benefit does it give us? Okay, you're free to create your own new class. The only problem is that in that case, your special offer order calculator will not be aware about the order calculator. Okay, so let's say in order calculator, if you need to call this special offer, or if you need to use the code of order calculator in your special offer order calculator, then you will have to do a close coupling. You will have to tightly couple them. You will have to call these class. Here you are extending it, so you get everything by default. Okay, so it gives you a flexibility to extend the base class, plus it is good for the scalability point of view, good for the reusability. Your code will be maintainable, there will be a structure in your code. Okay, so writing a different class altogether is also an option, but that is not a very good approach for various reasons. That is why we used object oriented programming concepts, and that is why open close principle says that do not modify the base class, try to extend it so that you can use the behavior of your base class, as well as should be able to extend the functionality of the special discount as well. Okay, so I will share the ppt as well with you, where I have written everything in detail about what it is, and why you should do it, this example as well. But I hope this is a very simple example of open close principle. This is a very simple principle as well. I hope this principle is clear to you, and in case you have any doubt, feel free to ping me on my LinkedIn, feel free to send me an email, or if you have my number, please ping me, and I'll be more than happy to jump onto a call and explain those concepts with you. Thank you everyone, I'll see you in the third principle. Thank you, good day to you all.